And Grizz again. Okay, I'm going to try this one again here. This is take two. I'm going to try and do a little demo that Lycan had mentioned the other day, that he had issues with, getting a lot of like air pockets or air bubbles. I'm going to show you something I learned a couple of years ago and made a big difference for me. For all you leaf casters out there, I learned this from my countertop guy. And it works for us as well too. So I'm just going to do some little, excuse the bright lights for a little bit here. I'm just going to do something a little unorthodox with the camera. So what I'm going to show you is, this isn't really my mix, this is just a topping mix that I grabbed to do a demonstration. So say you have your leaf, you're looking at it from the bottom now, so pretending you're the leaf. So there's your initial, you put some concrete down on top of your leaf, and you start to press it down, right? So then you get it to the thickness you want. Now you want to add some more. So this is what I used to do too. I'd plop some in front, plop some on the side, over here, and then I start to press again. Now, I don't know if you can see what's happening there, but what you're doing is you're creating these lines and pockets inside of there. I think that might be showing up underneath there. Now I'm going to bring the camera up and show you what I do now, okay? So what I do now is just pretend here, so I'm just going to make a little bit of a mess. So I put some concrete down on top of my leaf. I push it down, get the thickness I want. So then, when you want to add more, add it right to the top of what you already have. Don't put it in front or behind or beside. And then, now push it out from the top out. And what's happening, you can see what it's doing. It's just rolling on itself. So here I'll add some more. And push out. So you see what it's doing? It's not, and then you don't get these lines and you don't get the air pockets, and it makes a big difference. Like if you're not doing, like now I do this face coat with a thin coat, so I hardly get any at all anyway. But if you're still doing it this method, which I do from time to time as well, depending on what leaf I'm casting, I always add my mix onto the top. And that's why I learned from the countertop guys, because when they're doing big huge molds, like for big counter, if you throw it all willy-nilly into a pan and you push it down, you create all sorts of voids. And how you get away from it is always adding on top of what you already have and then pushing it out like so. And you can see it rolls out, and it doesn't create the lines. I don't know if that'll show. I don't want to touch my camera with, oh, what the heck. So I don't know if that'll show up any different or not to you. Anyway, I hope that helps all you casters out there, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.